Okay, you want to try another bite? Let's see. Let's see, ready? Here we go. What do you think of that? Do you like it? Lizzie, what do you think? Lizzie, do you want some more? Do you want some more? Lizzie, what do you think? You like it. You kind of think you like it. You kind of like it, don't you? Well, it's kind of mostly ending up on your bib.